Good evening, everybody. This is Engineer Isaiah Tube. Yeah, Tube. I am back again with another unboxing review. I have another package that just arrived in the mail a few weeks ago. So that I've been waiting to do an unboxing review for quite a while. And this video is, I'm gonna have to do my best to try to make this video I'm gonna have to try my best to make this video not too long because I only have 17 minutes and 37 seconds to record, so I'm gonna have to hurry. So, on my previous video, I've done an unboxing review of the My Little Pony Generation 3 2005 Hasbro Crystal Princess Styling Pony Rainbow Dash. And as you can see over there, I display a Pinkie Pie and Rainbow Dash on my bookshelf. And on top of my bookshelf is my old VHS and DVD player. And over there in the corner, I have one more package that needs to be opened, but we're not going to be focusing on that one because today we're going to be focusing on this package today. And when it comes to the Blue's Clues franchise, as we always say, hey, it's mail time. And speaking of Blue, if I show you my pile of stuffed animal friends, which it looks like they had a fight and all lost at the same time, you can clearly see my puppy dog Blue, who from Blue's Clues, is in that corner just laying down. I forgot to mention to her in my last video because I wanted to compare her to Rainbow Dash since they were both blue. In the meantime, I'm going to put the phone down and get this package open. Alright guys, let's get it open. I am going to unbox it. And let's get it open. And once again, and these eBay packages are always so difficult to open for some reason. Wow, this is more difficult than usual. Ow. Oh, this kind of hurts. Oh. Now, I don't think it's Trackmaster Molly because I ordered a Trackmaster Molly in the mail recently. I ordered 2 trains. And when I say 2 trains, I'm not just talking about Molly. For once, this is going to be a toy train that is not a Thompson Friends toy. Now let me see. Let me just move this a little bit, and you are going to see me open this package. Wait a minute. I think I missed a few spots. Oh. Hold on, guys. Having a couple of technical difficulties here. I'll just put the box here aside, and as you can see, we got it halfway open. Why is this thing not wanting to come off? Oh, there's tape on it, that's why. Oh! Oh yeah! Woohoo! I've been wanting to get this for a long time. Oh yeah. Yeah. Uh, this is the 1991 Tomy Tomica World Road and Rail System. System Silver Streak. This is a toy train I've been wanting to get for a long time, and boy, this is a beauty. Now, I've seen in videos of this toy train, on YouTube before, and I've always wanted to get my hands on a classic Tomica World train. World train. Now, this is something I've been wanting for a long time. Oh yeah, this is the 1991 Tomica World Road and Rail System. It's the Silver Streak high speed bullet train. It's blue and silver, and runs on a C-size battery. And I think it has two speeds. Off, on, and high speed. When you have it turned off, it doesn't move at all. But when it's on the on mode, it just travels at a normal speed. But on the high speed, it will go fast. It's from the year 1991. So, and same year Disney's Beauty and the Beast made its debut at the movie theaters. This is a very old toy train, and for years I've always wanted to get at the Silver Streak. The only thing I don't like about it is that you can see where the battery is meant to go, so that's a bit of a bummer for this baby. Despite that, I do quite like the way it looks, and if I flip it, but you can see what it looks like when I have it horizontally positioned. Now, I don't really have too much to say about this awesome looking train because I couldn't find any information about the Silver Streak train on YouTube or YouTube. I couldn't find any information about it, but when I tried googling it up on the internet too. But despite that, and it's okay because I've been wanting to get this for quite a long time. And now, if we flip it over, it says Silver Streak, and this is what the picture of it looks like. It's got yellow wheels. It's mostly silver, but it has a little bit of blue right here. This is my very first Tomy train that I'm going to be keeping in the box forever. That is not a Thomas and Friends toy. When I was a little bit younger, I've always wanted to own toy trains that were from the Tomica World Road and Rail System franchise. Of course, I'm going to be looking at the back of the box to see if we can find any information. How this proves it's from the year 1991. Let me see. Now, hold on. If we look at the Tomica World logo, we can see a car side by side with a train, and I just love the way how this train looks, and I just really quite like it. It runs on one C-size battery, and it's for ages 3 and up. This is from the early 1990s, so there are videos on YouTube like this featuring toy trains like this. I mean, there are a lot of videos on YouTube that actually feature the Tomica World 1991 Silver Streak train. Now, I paid almost $100 for this cheap looking toy train. I have no idea how. I don't see the year on it, but somebody said that this is from the year 1991. 91. So, 91. So, although for some reason I don't see the year on it right now. Now, if we read the information right here, it says battery power or 2-speed train from the Tomica World Road and Rail System, and it just said, and there's what it's like in other languages. If we read, it distributed by International Playthings Inc. 75 of Lackawanna Avenue, Paris, Penny, New Jersey. You see? I don't see the year on it for some reason, but someone mentioned that this is from the year 1991. However, though, I don't see the year on it. So I have no idea how is this from the year 1991. Well, probably because someone knows it was released in 1991. I actually can't find the so I can't find the year on the box, but really this is a really awesome toy train I've been wanting to get for a long time. This is my very first Tomy Tomica World Road and Rail System toy train, brand new in the original box. That I'm going to be keeping forever in my train collection. Actually, this is my very first Tomica World train, and I've always wanted it. Wanted to get the silver streak. I thought it was one of the most nicest looking toy trains I saw on YouTube. And at last I finally got it. Of course, I paid almost $100 for it. I even got a refund. So they gave me a little bit of my money back because it took so long for this to arrive in the mail. Even the mail. I think Tomica World has been around since the year 1991. After I googled up some information about the Tomica World system, on the Tomica World system, and I found a little bit of information on Wikipedia say that on the Tomica World Road and Rail System toy company, Tomy was available in 3 different countries: the United States of America, which is where I live, Australia, which is its own continent, and the United Kingdom. It's like Tomica World is basically an English version of the Japanese Takara Tomy toy company. Now, I've always wanted to own some Takara Tomy trains as well. And seriously, I have never owned a toy train. Tomy toy train that is not a Thomas and Friends toy. And I'm just finally getting my hands on a Tomica World train new in the original box. Now, I also discovered that some of the information said that it was released in 1995, but some more information also said it was released in 1997, which clearly that isn't true because somebody found out because the person selling this to me said that this was from the year 1991. So I don't know who's telling the truth, but I'm pretty sure 1991 was the year where Tomica World was released. And of course, when you would find this in stores, you would see it hanging up like this. Yes. And I love how the box is red. So that, which is the color of a train's caboose. So that's a really nice touch. It's smaller than I imagined, but despite that, this is a really neat toy. Neat toy. Now, I think there's supposed to be a third car, or which is the other trolley. No, sorry. The other. This is a short toy train. It's only 2 locomotives on both ends and a passenger car in the middle. Although you can ride in the engine as well because you can see the windows. Some more information I found about Tomica World on Wikipedia is that it was a motorized toy railroad system, toy road and rail system. It's where you can build and extend your layouts. Now, here's a picture of what your Tomica World train layout would look like when you have all the train's accessories and cars together. Hold on, I'll be right back. Tomica World has always been one of the greatest international toy one line's the 1990 Indians has ever 1990 Indians has ever had. Now, if we look under the box, it says 77461. Seriously, I can't find the year 1991 on the box, but somehow, the person who was selling this on eBay knows it's from the year 1991. 1991. Now, I better hurry up and finish doing what I need to do because I'm running out of recording space. But I'll try to tell you more information about Tomica World. Well, the description says it started in 1997, but the release date it says it's 1995. I think those are lies because somebody said that that the Silver Streak is from 1991, so it must have been around since 1991. Tomica World was pretty well known. Known for its popular toy trains and motorized cars. Motorized cars. You would buy a bunch of train sets and accessories and more cars in order to extend your layout. But Tomica World trains have become so rare throughout the year. All the years, it's so difficult to find them new in their original boxes these days. And so far so good. I have the Tomica World Tomy 1991 Road and Rail System Silver Streak. Now, what are my final thoughts on this train? There's only one video on YouTube that features a live action footage of this train running, and which is this Tomica World train video from 2001. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video because I'm about to run out of space in just a few seconds. But if you're interested in purchasing this toy train on eBay, however, you can buy it new or used if you can get it for a good price. And be sure to jump on it because this train is expensive and is incredibly expensive and incredibly rare. The train is blue and silver. And if you guys know some information I don't know, let me know in the comments. Well, God made you special and He loves you very much.